Hey guys, welcome back to this amazing course of Facebook marketing. And in this particular video, I'm going to teach you that what are the types of Facebook audience and what are the use of these audience, how we can use these audience in our Facebook marketing. So let's get into the video without any further ado. So guys, as you can see, there are three audience type in front of you. Basically, there are the main three types of audience. The first one is saved audience, then we have custom audience, and the third one is lookalike audience. So let's start with the first audience, which is saved audience. That what is saved audience and how you can use this saved audience to grow your business, right? So basically, saved audience is the audience which you create, basically you save, right? Let me give you an example. Let's say you are creating a campaign, and when you are creating a campaign, you create an audience too, right? You save their demographics, you save their interest, you save their likes and dislikes. So overall you create a proper customized audience, and you save that particular audience so that you can use it later as well, right? Let's say you are creating a campaign and you have created one audience type, right? And that audience perform well and you got good results, right? So you should save that particular audience so that you can use that audience in future as well, and even you can use that audience to do A/B testing, right? So this is what the saved audience is. Basically, in a single line, if I have to say that what is a saved audience, a saved audience is what that we create by ourselves, right? Then we have custom audience. Custom audience is basically the audience we get from our properties. Let's say you have an offline store, right? You have a jewelry store and it's been 10 years you are into the industry, jewelry industry, right? And you have thousands of customers of data who have visited your store, who have visited your store but didn't bought the product or didn't bought any jewelry, right? So you have the data, and now what you can do is you can upload that data into your Facebook ads account so that you can target that particular audience, and that is called custom audience, right? And same goes with your online store as well. Let's say you have a website where you sell products, right? And when people visit your website, when people buy from your website, or even they just visit your website, right? So that is a data which you should use to remarket. That is a data which you should use to market your product, right? Because they already know your business, they already know your brand, and there's a high chance that they can convert, right? And you can use that particular data, your online stores data, in your Facebook ads account, and that will be known as custom audience. Then there are many other platforms or properties such as Facebook page. If you have Facebook page and people who have interacted with your Facebook page, you can target those audience as well for your brand or for your business, and that will be also known as custom audience, right? So custom audience is basically comes from your different kind of properties, whether it is offline or online, right? Then we have lookalike audience. Now let's say you have an data of 10,000 people in your custom audience list, right? Let's say you have an offline store and you have a list of 10,000 people, basically the data of 10,000 people in your custom audience list. Now what you can do is you can create a look alike audience who have same interests, who have same likings and dislikings, who have same hobbies and talents, and this is can be done by Facebook platform itself. Facebook will automatically create a look-alike audience for you, right? Now in custom audience you have just 10,000 audience which or who have visited your website. But when you create a lookalike audience, let's say the lookalike audience count can go up to 1 million, 2 million, or maybe 3 million, right? So this is what, or this is how lookalike audience helps you, because it gives you more audience which is as like your custom audience or even saved audience, right? You can create a lookalike audience of your saved audience as well, right? So this is what the benefit of lookalike audience, because it gives you the same kind of audience who are more willing to pay or who are more willing to buy your product, right? So this is what the difference between saved audience, custom audience, and lookalike audience. I hope you understood the things. I hope you understood these audience types properly, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. And in the upcoming videos, I'll be showing you how to use these audience type in our Facebook marketing campaign, so that we can become a master of Facebook ads, right? And that's what our aim is in this particular course. Now, with that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.